Have you just started your young adult life and realized that the food is not being served by your parents after you come from school or university anymore? Would you like to use your student's budget wisely, not going out for eating every day? Do you also care about your health and would not like to go to cheap fast food restaurants? Then let's learn how to cook basic meals that would save you time and money. This will be a series of few recipes that are super easy, cheap and fast to cook. Let's roll! Today I'm going to show you how to cook an omelette with bacon and cheese and also use it for delicious and nutritious sandwiches. I usually go for groceries once or twice per week and spend a maximum of 40 euros per week on products. For the omelette we would need a pan, cutting board, a knife, milk, some oil, bread for the sandwiches, slices of cheese and bacon, salt and other spices if you would like to. First of all, let's prepare all the ingredients. Let's cut the cheese and bacon. Doesn't matter how you cut it. The goal is to melt the cheese and fry the bacon all mixed with the eggs. When you're about to be done with cutting, put the pan on the stove, pour a little bit of oil into the pan. Take the pan from the handle and shake it to spread the oil equally. Take the eggs and break them. If you don't feel confident breaking them straight into the pan, do it into a cup and pour it into the pan afterward. Once the eggs are in the pan, pour a little bit of milk and start mixing. Add the cheese with bacon, leave to fry one side. Be careful, don't burn it! Now it's time to flip. If everything falls apart, it doesn't matter. Just turn it somehow to fry the other side and don't worry, the taste won't change. Once the other side is fried, place your omelette on a plate, add some vegetables and voila! Now take butter or any sauce and spread it on bread. Put the omelette on the bread and cover it with another piece of bread. Your sandwich with cheese, bacon, egg and butter is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in comments below if you would like to see more videos of this kind and they're useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hope to see you on my next videos. In the reality, I am a disaster cooking and I burn almost every single meal, especially if I'm talking while cooking.